Hello, my name is Holger Buck from Squadrat. I'm project sales manager at this company, and I want to introduce you our brand new 0.95 4-in-1 LED screen. We have it here as a sample where we can show up our new technology, which is really ready in a couple of weeks, which we bring into the market. And I would like also to hand over to our R&D director.
Hello, this is rAVe, R&D Director of Squadrat. I'd like to introduce the 0.95 LED module together with our new control system SXMaster 4K. You see on the table, this is a 4K controller capable of transmitting 4K at 12-bit color resolution, supporting all common standards, RGB, YUV and XYZ for cinema applications. This is a brand new product, completely fanless, 40 gigabit of output data rate, good enough to handle a full cinema screen at 12-bit color resolution. Thank you.
So, if you'd like to visit for more details, visit our website at squadrat.de. Thank you and have a great day.